Hello, welcome to Progress. My name is Hernandez Ribeiro. In this tutorial video, you continue learning Progress features. Refer to our two first tutorials to learn how to create a project and how to start planning its tasks. Let's start from the point where we finished the last tutorial. I want to explain some ways of doing things faster. First, let's see how to transform a task into a group. There are three ways of doing this. Let's start from the obvious one, that is selecting the task that will become a group and adding the tasks you want. As you might remember from the previous tutorial, click button Add or press Ctrl+A to add tasks. The second way is indenting tasks immediately below the one that is to be transformed into a group, as we are doing here. The third way is via a drag and drop operation. Left-click over a task, keep button pressed, move one task over another, release the mouse button, and the target task will absorb the moving task and become a group. Now, I want to show you that you can schedule the tasks using only the mouse. To do so, left-click at the position corresponding to the desired start date and keep the mouse button pressed. Move the mouse pointer to the desired end date. Release the mouse button. To prevent this behavior, you can lock this feature. Right-click inside the Gantt chart area to show the context menu. Click Lock and try again scheduling by mouse. You receive a message informing that scheduling by mouse is locked. To unlock, just repeat the procedure as we are doing here. Let's talk about this time scale. As you can see, this scale is in days. In my case, it is in Portuguese language because it uses the Windows default. In your case, it might be in English or other language. But what I want to show you is that you can change this scale. Do it right-clicking the head of the Gantt chart and choosing Other Scale. You have the options minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years. Getting back to days. Okay, now I want to show you that you can add comments and set expected and actual progresses to specific dates. Doing so is far simple. Just left-click the bar at the position corresponding to the date of interest, and this window will be shown. Here we have the date clicked. You have here an automatically calculated expected progress for this date. You can change this by setting another value ranging from 0 to 100. You can always change the weighted progress. In case of past dates, however, it will work as a history instead of a reference. For the actual progress, you cannot set it for future dates. In this case, the field becomes inaccessible. You can only change the actual progress for the current date or for past dates. In this field, you can add comments, specifics for the date, as I'm doing here. In case of groups, you can only set comments because both the weighted and the actual progresses are automatically calculated by the app. Okay, let's finish here. In the next tutorial, we'll continue talking about progress control in Progress.